Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to another episode of Off the Cuff with Cliff. Today's show is a little bit different. As you know, we have a segment called Business Highlights. And what I'd like to do is I want to go back and I want to reintroduce somebody we had on the show previously. A while back, we had a young lady on the show. Her name is Sheba, that owns a company called Shore Simplicity. Shore Simplicity is a company that does professional organizing, decluttering, and things of that nature in Monmouth and Ocean County in New Jersey. I was at a Realtors convention the other day, and in the Realtors convention, they were talking about how competitive it is between Realtors, the laws that have changed, and I don't understand the differences of the laws, but that's not the point. And two of the Realtors spoke about a company that they started using, which they not only enhanced their business, but they're very, very happy, and they used them personally as well. And it happened to be Sheba's company, Shore Simplicity. So although Sheba did a fantastic job and we interviewed her, and I'm going to attach the link at the end of this, I'm going to ask you to watch it. But what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to share her video on what she does with realtors and how she helps people that are moving, packing, unpacking, and things of that nature. It's a 2-minute video, and I'm going to ask you to watch it. What I'm also going to do is I personally am going to give anybody that uses her services, and all they have to do is tell Sheba that Cliff sent them, and I will have a gift for you. I appreciate you watching the video. I appreciate you learning more about Sheba, but more importantly, I appreciate you using somebody that we highlighted on the show. So please take 2 minutes and watch the video. I appreciate you. Please like, subscribe, and share to my channel to help it grow. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Sheba, and I'm the proud owner of Shore Simplicity, a professional organizing company. Please watch this short 2-minute video and learn how Shore Simplicity offers a multitude of services that offer realtors stress-free transactions.
Shore Simplicity offers realtors in Monmouth and Ocean Counties professional organizing services to streamline their clients' buying and selling process. Here's a deeper look into each service. A listing-ready preparations. We work closely with realtors to ensure that properties are decluttered, organized, and presented in their best light. Our team of experts meticulously stages each home with its existing contents, highlighting its best features, giving each room clear functionality, and creating a blank neutral slate. This attention to detail makes properties more attractive to potential buyers when they hit the market, increasing the chances of a quick and profitable sale. Packing and unpacking assistance. Moving can overwhelm clients. We offer seamless packing services to prepare homes for quick sales and purge unwanted items for donation. On the flip side, we also provide efficient unpacking and organizing services once clients settle into their new homes, reducing stress and workload. We even haul away and recycle all packing materials, leaving clients fully settled in days. Estate cleanouts. Clearing out a home can be emotionally and physically challenging. We assist families and realtors by organizing, packing, and managing the entire process with sensitivity and efficiency. Our team also collaborates with an estate sale company when appropriate. We make the process of deciding what to keep smoother for everyone involved. We are partnered with several nonprofits to ensure that unwanted furniture and household items are donated. Trust our team to take this daunting task off your shoulders. Downsizing and need assessments. We provide personalized assessments to determine what needs to stay, what should go, and what's most functional in a new space, helping clients transition smoothly to smaller homes or simplify their living environments. By partnering with Shore Simplicity, realtors can offer added value to their clients, making transactions less stressful and more efficient. Visit shoresimplicity.com or call us at 732-309-0417 to ensure seamless, stress-free real estate transactions.
Thanks for watching, and I would love to connect, so call me directly at 732-309-0417.